We're in a two-bed Victorian property in Fairfield Gardens. It's the front room. There's going to be some sort of wood burner there, possibly electric, possibly a real one. Dining room. There's an open fire there. Like a handcrafted kitchen. Quite a long, pretty garden, courtyard area. And then a further bit, and then there's a car park, a carport beyond. Upstairs. Going to be some carpet laid in this small bedroom, single bedroom. Bathroom. Main bedroom. This has just been decorated as a single bedroom.